Debbie got a new pickup truck. Traded in her Chevy Malibu for a Ram 1500 tradesman. Debbie, wave at your fans. And we're gonna walk over here, if I can get down through here without killing myself. And we're gonna show you the motor. This motor, as you can see, I hope you can see, is a V8 5.7 Hemi. It is so clean you could eat off of it. See, we got a battery cover. I mean, that's cute, real cute. And anyways, it's a powerhouse. It makes my truck look small. If I back up, it looks small. Okay. That's Debbie's truck. She's putting new floor mats in. Of course, I gotta kick the tires and check the oil. It's black, see? You can see me in it. There's Debbie bending over right there.
At least I don't have a fat ass yet. Almost got a Texas ass going on.
Got big tires, big wheels.